years, cops have used pits and spike strips, but now there's the Grappler, a new tool that stops getaways fast. This device locks onto a suspect's rear wheel with crazy accuracy, ending chases safely. Today, we're counting down the top 10 wildest Grappler stops ever caught on camera. Mesa, Arizona. DPS troopers respond to a chaotic intersection takeover. They spot a black sedan with two 17-year-old males inside, suspected of street racing. A DPS sergeant closes in and deploys the Grappler bumper. Bam! Net wraps around the rear tire. Vehicle spins out and stops cleanly. Officers jump in and detain both teens. They're cited for street racing, and the car's impounded. Moral: when troopers bring the Grappler, your fast and furious dreams just hit a wall. Thurston County, Washington. Sergeant Derek Sanders spots Jamie Brooks, mid-30s, wearing a dark hoodie, speeding in a stolen black SUV. Brooks tries to escape, hitting nearly 100 miles per hour. Sergeant Sanders closes in and launches the Grappler device.
I've got 8 UDAs.
No, you have 8 UDAs.
926 PD has driver.
Brooks jumps out and runs, but deputies and a K9 quickly catch him. Inside the SUV, police find stolen plates, a handgun, and meth. Brooks is arrested for auto theft, fleeing police, drug possession, and illegal firearm possession. The Grappler wins again. Cleveland, Ohio. Officer Brian Miller spots a speeding driver swerving into oncoming lanes at 90 miles an hour. Miller closes the gap and uses the Grappler device to lock the suspect's rear wheel.
1014 for 1, I could testify that stop by 110.
Yeah, please. He just passed the vehicle, no passing zone in the corner.
Just past it, no passing zone.
We're still west.
West 110. Copy west 110. Eastbound side. 350 eastbound 110.
No grapple, no. Gotta grapple, gotta grapple, gotta grapple.
30
TA. Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
The driver loses control and crashes straight into a fence. Officers arrested him at the scene. He's charged with reckless driving, fleeing police, and endangering public safety. The Grappler ends another wild ride. Thurston County, Washington. Deputy John Sandoval spots Randy Dean Rich, 36, speeding in a Prius, up to 100 miles per hour on I-5, fleeing multiple felony warrants and suspected of dealing drugs. Sandoval closes in and deploys the Grappler bumper.
One for a grapple at Maytown. Westbound Maytown Road, speed to 56 miles an hour, and heading southbound on Case, light traffic.
Now southbound on Case for Maytown, light traffic, 1849.
16, see if Smokey's up.
Fish on, fish on.
If you go, let the dog go. Don't let the dog go. 615, that's Smokey.
Mercy, thank you. Anyone copy?
Slow down, slow down, slow down. We're good, slow down. Slow down.
Deputies find a firearm holster, ammo, drugs, and stolen plates. Charges: auto theft, drug distribution, firearm offenses, evading police, and resisting arrest. Mesa, Arizona. Amy Sherry Pierce, 39, goes full chaos mode, ramming a Mustang on I-10 at 90 miles per hour, thinking her ex is behind the wheel. Drunk, furious, and flying through traffic, she refuses to stop. Troopers roll in fast and drop the Grappler.
I'm gonna grapple it.
Bam! Net grabs her rear tire, and the Ford Escape spins out hard, cuffed on the spot. Charges: DUI, assault, fleeing police, and endangerment. The Grappler shuts down another highway meltdown. Thurston County, Washington. A 27-year-old man driving a stolen vehicle leads troopers on a high-speed chase down I-5, reaching around 100 miles per hour and weaving into oncoming traffic. A TCSO sergeant deploys the Grappler bumper.
55. Speed 55, 86.
Good grapple.
Good grapple, 86.
We got the whole highway.
The driver flees on foot but is quickly tackled by deputies and their K-9 partner. Inside the stolen vehicle, officers find a handgun and methamphetamine. He's arrested on multiple warrants, including felony assault, hit and run, reckless driving, eluding police, and resisting arrest. Lesson: once that Grappler net wraps around your wheel, your getaway is done. Parma Heights, Ohio. Nia McLean, 31, from Chicago, refuses to stop for deputies. Her car has fake sovereign citizen plates, and she claims she's above the law. After hitting a tire deflator, she still keeps going. That's when deputies roll in with the Grappler.
He's up there now.
Good grapple, good grapple.
The net locks onto her rear wheel. Good grapple, and the car jerks to a stop. Officers move in with guns drawn and pull her out. McLean is arrested and charged with fleeing police. Bond set at $100,000. The Grappler ends another delusional escape attempt. Hollywood, Florida. Terrell Kirkland and Santiago Iglesias, both 17, carjack a man with a gun while he's unloading groceries and hop into a yellow stolen Camaro. The car halts dead in its tracks. Teens surrender as police shout commands and pull them out at gunpoint. Charges: armed robbery, carjacking, fleeing police. Lesson: 2 teens, 1 stolen ride, and the Grappler ends the joyride fast. Lenexa, Kansas. 2 day shift sergeants spot a stolen van tearing down a morning freeway exit at high speed. They activate the Grappler, net shoots out, wraps the rear tire, and just like that, the chase is over within seconds.
Stand by for grapple. You got it right there. Nice.
The stolen van spins to a stop. The driver bolts but is caught quickly nearby. Inside the vehicle, deputies find meth and paraphernalia. The suspect is arrested for vehicle theft, felony fleeing, drug possession, and resisting arrest. Lesson: traffic stop turns high-speed chase. When the Grappler shows up, the getaway doesn't stand a chance.
Oh, there.
Phoenix, Arizona. Officers found 30-year-old Brandon Smith passed out in a silver Ford Fusion, blocking traffic. Inside, drugs, weapons, and zero intention to cooperate. As soon as they wake him up, he floors it, rams 2 patrol cars, and bolts onto I-10 like a man on a mission. But he's not going far. A trooper in an unmarked Tahoe rolls in with a Grappler bumper. One perfect launch. Snap. The net grabs his rear tire. The Fusion locks up and skids to a smoky stop. Brandon refuses to surrender. Officers hit him with less lethal rounds and release the K-9. 10 minutes later, he's pulled out and cuffed. He's now facing felony charges: fleeing, assaulting officers, drug possession, and illegal weapons. The Grappler ends another dangerous run, fast, clean, and under control. Mesa, Arizona. A Cadillac comes flying down US 60 at over 90 miles per hour, weaving through traffic near the Higley Road exit. A DPS trooper moves in and drops the Grappler.
Vehicles grappled.
Boom, net locks the rear tire and the Caddy screeches to a smoky stop. High-speed chase, over in seconds. The Grappler doesn't miss. Thanks for riding the adrenaline wave with us here at Mind Rush. If you're hungry for more heart-pounding action and edge-of-your-seat excitement, don't go anywhere, because we're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more mind-blowing moments coming your way soon.